Welcome back. In this session, we will talk about software management, or also we can call it as an package management. So what is this software management in the Linux? The software management is nothing but installing a software or deleting a software, upgrading a software. Now we'll discuss how to install or delete or remove or upgrade the softwares inside the Ubuntu machines and Red Hat or CentOS machines. Why? Because in Ubuntu, we use apt command to install, delete, upgrade the packages. But whereas in CentOS, Amazon Linux or Red Hat flavors, we use yum command to install, remove or upgrade the packages. First of all, why we need to install the softwares and why we need to remove it or why we need to upgrade it. See, basically the operating system, what is operating system? The operating system contains bundle of packages, right? So same way here, whenever you want to install any softwares, specific softwares you want to install or you want to upgrade, like for example, even in our laptops, sometimes whenever we shut down our machine or whenever we logging in, at that time it will show Microsoft is updating some packages. So it is asking us to wait for some time to update it automatically, right? So why it is updating? What is the reason for updating your operating system or specific package? Like in our laptop we are running with some tool, so that tool is going to get the latest versions in the market, but still if we are running with the old version, then what we are going to lose? So we are going to lose the latest features. Even in our mobile, we see very frequently whenever we connect to Wi-Fi, our apps gets updated. Why it will get updated? Because it will get the latest features and bugs, and also it will fix the vulnerabilities. So that's the reason even in a real environment we need to patch our operating system, or sometimes we want to install any specific package to get the usage of that software, or sometimes we want to remove the software. Why? Because if we are not using the specific softwares, we can just go and remove the software. Like how we remove the softwares in our laptop by going into the control panel and we'll remove the softwares. Why we remove? Because if we are not using it, we can remove it. Unnecessarily, it will consume the resources from our laptop. Same way, we need to remove the softwares which are not using in the machines. So, as I said, Red Hat, CentOS or Amazon Linux or a lot of other flavors will use yum command, and Debain, Ubuntu, Linux Mint kind of flavors are using apt command to install, delete or upgrade the packages. And the RPM, this is an old command where we used to do manually installing the packages and installing, removing the packages with the help of RPM command. But with the help of yum and apt, automatically we can able to install the dependencies also of the respective packages. In the next lecture, I will show you how we can install, remove, upgrade the packages, or we can view the package information with the apt and yum commands. We'll meet in the next video. Bye.